Hey! In front of me is Black Shark 5 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Black Shark. First of all, just access the device's settings and click on About Phone. Now you need to click on Storage over here and choose Clear. Then tap on Allow in the pop-up and wait. Lastly, you need to just clean up over here, and as you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!